Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Login Helps. Here we will be showing you how you can use the Netflix Party extension in order to share your Netflix viewing with other people in real time. Netflix Party is a web-based application that allows any Netflix user to share the contents from their account to any other friends if they wish to watch Netflix together with others remotely from another PC or device. However, this feature is not available on the Netflix application, so you'll need to use the web browser, which supports the Netflix Teleparty extension. So first of all, let's go ahead and install the Netflix Party extension by opening up your web browser. It is recommended that you use the Google Chrome browser, as it natively supports many different extensions. Just type in Netflix Party extension and press enter. Then click on the first link, which says Netflix Party is now Teleparty. You will be taken into the Chrome Web Store window of Netflix Party. Just go ahead and click on Add to Chrome, and then click on Add Extension to add this extension into your web browser. Once this extension has been added, the Teleparty logo will appear on the top right corner of your web browser. Now that the extension is installed, just log in to your Netflix account by going into netflix.com. After logging in using your email address and your password, just go ahead and click on any movie that you wish to play. Once the movie starts to play, you can click on the extensions button at the top right corner, and you will be able to click on the Teleparty extension. Once you click on it, you will be able to start the party. You can click on the Only I Have Control button if you don't want other users to be able to control the pause and play settings. Just click on Start the Party, and you will be given a link from which your friends can join in to watch the movie with you. You can use the chat message box to communicate with your Netflix Party viewers. Once you are done with your Netflix Party session, you can click on the Extensions button and then click on the Netflix Party once again. Now you will see the Disconnect button. If you click on this, your Netflix Party session will end. Anyone who was viewing your Netflix Party will now lose access into your Netflix viewing session. So that is how you can use Netflix Party to view Netflix with other users remotely from various other devices. If this video was helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell as well, in order to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.